Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today's video is on Earnhoney. It's another video watching site. Earn money while you watch. I'm at 7.10. Show you that. No, that isn't it. There's the payouts. I would do PayPal. 5 hours. It's $57.50. Huh, I don't know what that is. 50 is 5 hours. 250, 25 hours. 100 is 10 hours. Let's go back to the main page. I can't seem to get these videos to work properly for me. So I do this one. Entertainment app, TV and Glee. That's how I accumulated my points. I've got this guy to work, the doctor, and this guy, hot site, to work when it wants to work. But you could try out, excuse me, could try out any one of these. See which one works for you. And you also have surveys you can do to gain points. So that's nice. Pretty nice. Play games too. Offers. That's the offers. So yeah. Again, they do Bitcoin if people are interested in that. Visa gift card. Loot's coming. I don't know what that is. Or Oot. Amazon gift card. And Big. I don't know what that is. Well, guys, that's it. Excuse me.
Here's how you can...
That's it for this week's video. Subscribe and like. Till next time, next video. Peace. I'm out.